main dulu mainannya ya. Nih, 1 dulu, baru 2, habis 2 aja mainannya kita beli 3. We want open up the toys now. We need scissors because they are tip. Be careful because scissors is sharp.
Wow!
Look, these toys. Whoa, the big one toys.
Wow!
The big is the big. This, whoa, this brush. Yeah. This is the truck biggest one. There are stairs. And then now the other one. Okay?
Hey!
And then we need another one. Cobain, nggak apa-apa ya. Ada gun, ya. We need scissors and cut, and then the biggest again, and the biggest and this one is the front over this. This one over this is the sharp one. And then this one is watch. And then dump truck, excavator, and drill, and bulldozer.
Diangkat dong.
Bulldozer.
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 Yeah.
And then the wheel, the color is black, and then they are alphabet. And then number 1 is the drill. They are the wheel. The wheel is so big, and then there are alphabet. And this wheel is small, dengan they have alphabet. And this wheel is small, and that have alphabet. This big wheel and that have alphabet. Beda yang bentuknya mak. And then this I buy it from mall. Look, dump truck. And then this is excavator. And then this bulldozer. And then this is drill. Guys, this the bulldozer. He can go up everything, and then we is like this, and he goes, and then this he goes here, and then he goes this like this. He can like this, and then
Wow!
and then this can dress like this, and then look this, and then this, and then like that. This, and go here, like this. Gitu. And then this is for drill. Drill like this, and then you this, and then you this, like that.
Hey!
And then dump truck, and then drill. Drill is for drill like this, and then goes hole. Hole itu lubang.
Okay.
Kalau here, and then this drill, and then this, and then this is for the angkat. This kan ada ini, nanti ini gini. Cuk. Aku senang ibu beliin mainan baru. Cuk. And there's this. Ya, ini bisa dipasang kok. Ini ada ini. Don't forget subscribe and like channel and follow my YouTube di Alfattan Rasdo.